Hi Ray, I've come across some Instagram feed and this image here. So this is on the Sydney page, down the bottom, very bottom, Bondi to Coogee. So this image, if I click on it, it just is black, and the reason is that if I click on Instagram, the image isn't available, so it's probably been removed. So the where we left that, I think, with the brief was that once all hashtags priorities have been fulfilled, the plugin would go through the Instagram feeds and check for removed images, and if there was a removed image, to take it out. So I could keep an eye on this, but I just thought I'd let you know that that image there has been removed and it's still there. We made changes to this hashtag probably days ago, so it's probably all okay. I'll keep an eye on it and let you know, but I'll let you know now anyway, just so that you can make sure that everything's in place for that kind of scenario, because we don't want to be showing images that people are taking down themselves and don't want to be shown on Instagram. So yeah, just thought I'd let you know, and I'll keep tabs on it. And if you need to have a look just to make sure everything's okay, that'd be great. Okay, cheers. Thanks, Ray.